Question 2. Roman numeral 1. Create a single file in your home directory containing a backup of all contents of /etc/. We are going to use attack command with a negative CF option etc dot /etc. Then question B wants us to create another archive with the same content but compressed to save disk and to compare the sizes of two archives. Here we are going to use the tar command with option negative CZF we are going to compare the sizes using the ls command, and this archive is much smaller than the .tar archive. Questions want us to list the contents of each of your archive. We are going to use the tar command with tdf space etc. The command will run. Then another question want us to extract the content of one of the files into a directory and a subdirectory. We're going to first create or make a directory with mk directory command to new _etc. Then we are going to use the tar command with option xf etc. And we are going to extract the content of one of the files into a directory. We are going to make a directory first, and we are going to name it as our subdirectory 1. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a tar command again, extract the files. For example, tar option xf etc .tar etc cos.conf -csub, and we enter. Then we are going to find who owns files and who owns the home directory. Here what we are going to do is we are going to use the ls command with option negative li /bin /ls, and the command will run. Then we are going to use, we are saying root as the one owning the files, and we are going to use the ls command with li option /home to see who owns the home directory. That is Mbawa is owning the directory. Then we are going to log on as root. Here what we are going to do is we are going to exit, log in as root, we enter, then we put a password as 4 zeros, and we are going to create an empty file using the touch command. Here we are going to use touch file, we enter, and the user group owner should be root. We are going to change root to, we're going to change the owner to root. We are going to use the command as change owner. We are going to use the command to change the owner to the file to be users as to change. We are going to change owner Bowers to file and to check. We are going to use the ls option L to Bowers. Then to change the group owner to be any non-root user, we are going to use the change group space Bowers file 1 and enter. So we shall use the ls to find out as the machine have run. Then you are going to change both of the owners back to being root with a single command. Here we are going to use the change owner root file 1 and enter. So we are going to question is telling us to the programmers World Student Association. PWSE is a student association set up with the intent of unlocking the Ministry of Computer Technologies. The association has hired you as a pre-time staff in the Department of System Administration to help them fix the following problems. The association intends to create a new account called Tech and group called DIT. Perform the following tasks by using Linux scripts. Here we are going to create, modify, and delete the Tech account. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a system admin, and we are going to put the commands of creating as we are going to create the account of Tech. We are going to modify the account of create account, whereby you are going to use you are going to add user Tech. We are going to modify the Tech, and we are going to use a model, which is going to be the year, month, and the day. And we are going to also have a delete command, which is going to be deleting maybe a member and here shall use the user del Tech. And we're also going to create, modify, and delete the DIT group. Here we are going to create, modify, and delete the DIT group again. Then write a command to display information about the users. We are going to use the cat command /etc and then the password. Shall run the command. And the last question is telling us to show and explain how we can use sudo command and the sudo file. Here we are going to use man sudo. It executes a command as another file. Then sudo file is a group of users with administrative privileges. So thank you.